Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bio on Instagram in different font style, right? How you can do it. So basically, you have to just go to any of the browser here. And guys, here you have to search igfont.io, right? And just hit the enter. And basically, you have to just go here and it will take a very few seconds. So basically, we can change the font style here very easily, right? So you can just use any of the other website also. So basically I can just write here, this is my bio story, right? And after that you can in the bar in the below down you can see that this is a very different font style which supported by the Instagram. So you can just select anywhere. I mean, if I like this one, you can see just click on whichever you liked, and after that the text will be copied, right? And after that we will just go into the Instagram here. After that, in the bottom right side corner you can see your profile icon, right? And here you have to just click on the edit profile in the between, and guys, here in the bio you have to just paste it, right? And this is it. And after that you can just click on the tick mark which is on the top right side corner, right? And here you can see that my bio is written here. So this is super easy guys. If you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.